The tutorial of Microsoft Excel use from basic or from zero, and this is the section 4. On this opportunity I will explain about the tutorial for the beginners, especially of Microsoft Excel, and this is section 4. I've made of the section 1, 2 and 3, and we will continue learning about this Microsoft Excel learned whole lesson, and this is section 4. I also have the data here. I think there are many lessons that I want to explain here, and also still using the previous sections data. It's about stock of fruits from apple, orange, grape, melon, and watermelon, and also there is stock and price for each of the fruits. And then I will add data about total and margin center to make it center alignment, and then merge cells. Merge means that you combine the cells that you want to mix. Okay, I to merge cells A and B from rows 9. Okay, and after this I want to show you it's about the format of number, currency or person style, and comma style. For example, we want to know about thousands, millions, and by using comma it will make it easier to read the data, especially for number. Okay, I will try here firstly about the separator of comma. So with default type, it's about the 2 decimals behind the comma and or a point. And also you can delete these decimals by using format decrease decimal. The arrows goes to right. Okay, decrease decimal, show viewer decimal places. Okay, just click it two two times, so you need to click 2 times. So if you want to increase the decimal, just click on the increase decimal here by arrow, that left row. Okay, and you can also change this data or cells by using currency, because it's about price. For example, you need to make currency here. For example, it's a dollars. Okay, and for instance, if you want to change the format from the currency to be okay here, and then counting, this is from format cells, number and category. So counting, date, time, percentage, fraction, etc. And I will use accounting here by the format. So Microsoft Excel also provides all of the format accounting or currency from many countries around the world. And example, we will use ITR. It's about Indonesian rupiahs. Okay, after you select about the ITR, Indonesian rupiah, just click OK, enter. So you can see here the currency will be changed into the ITR from dollar. Okay, we will return about the currency. Okay, I will add percentage here. I will type, for example, it's about discount, so it's about 1000%. Okay, it's about 1000%, and I want to add 0.2, for example. I want to type or to text about the decimal number 0.2, and then it will become automatically 20%. Okay, just select percent symbol on home menu, especially for number. So from 0, comma 1 or 0.1, after you click percent symbol, the data will be automatically changed into the format that you need. Okay. Okay. Next, I want to show you about the tutorial of. Sorry, just waiting. Okay, just waiting. Okay. For example, here I have long words so that we need to to do verb text. Okay, we need to do verb text on this about name fruits. For example, we will make wider of cells because name fruits or needs that, I think, longer name or longer words. And you can also make wider cells by tracking here. Okay, can see. Okay, it's about column. And if you can if you want to change here from the right and left or top and bottom, so here. So if you want to web text the name of data of cells will not be will not be deleted, I think. Will not be deleted. And the words will appear or will be displayed or will be read. Okay, here. Okay, next we will learn about insert. Okay, right click and then insert. If you choose this, it will add the cells or columns on the top of the date of the data. Okay, so there's an empty or blank cells after we insert the new column or new row. Okay, for instance, there are two type of data, or we want to add the data. You just need do not need to type manually, so you need to insert the new column or number. So automatically the data will make it automatically buried. Okay, that's about alignment and or make a wider or thinner cells and etc. Okay, insert. I will try insert menu. Okay. Okay, click insert and then automatically here the rows will appear on the table of on the worksheet on your worksheet. Okay, green grep and local grep. It's just for example, I want to add the green grep and local grep to be counted in this table. So just insert the new table by right click the number and then click insert. Automatically Microsoft Excel will add the rows. Okay, green grep local decrease indent here. As decrease indent means that the data will be the members of grep. Okay, so grep green and a grep local. By using indent degree, it means that uh, the green grep and local grep is part of grep. Okay, that's about indent. Yeah. Okay, it's about find and replace as our last lesson on this video. Find what? The words that you want to find. Example, apple. Find what? Apple. I need to find Apple Word on Microsoft Excel. After we click it, okay. And about the crab, okay. The cursor will route you or will show you the place that you type on the find and replace bar. Okay, for example, I want to replace the Apple word by Apple Red. So all done, we made one replacement on the replace with. Find what the words that we want to change and then replace by the words also that you want to do here. Okay, so it's from find what Apple. After we replace with Apple Red, so all of the data from the table will be changed into the Apple Red. Okay, it's about another example. Find orange and then replace with orange water. This is for example from the orange replace all done. We replace one replace we do one replacements. Okay, it's about orange from orange. Okay, we will oh sorry we have learned about percent and currency, Indian decimal, and warp text, and how to add rows or columns or cells, and finally we have learned about find and replacement on Microsoft Excel, how to find files or cells and also to replace cells. Okay, see you in the next video and bye.